Worth a shot is a colloquial expression that encapsulates the idea of taking a chance or attempting something with uncertain outcomes. It's often used to convey the notion that while success is not guaranteed, the potential benefits or rewards make the endeavor worth pursuing, even if the odds are not particularly favorable. This phrase finds its roots in the realm of risk-taking and decision-making, reflecting the human tendency to embrace opportunities that might lead to positive outcomes, even when those outcomes are uncertain. The metaphorical shot suggests an attempt, analogous to taking a shot in a game or aiming for a target. Just as in various games or situations, one can take a shot without being sure if it will hit the mark. Individuals often face situations where they're unsure of the outcome, but believe that trying is better than not trying at all. The expression is not only limited to high-stakes situations or calculated risks, it can also be applied in various aspects of life. From pursuing a new career path, starting a business venture, asking someone out on a date, or trying a new hobby, worth a shot underscores the idea that the potential gains, personal growth, or fulfillment are reasons enough to take the chance, even if there's a chance of failure or disappointment. At its core, worth a shot reflects the human drive for exploration and the innate desire to push boundaries, learn, and adapt. It encourages individuals to step out of their comfort zones, confront challenges, and embrace the unknown with a sense of optimism. This expression also acknowledges that failure is a natural part of any journey and can provide valuable lessons and experiences that contribute to growth and resilience. In a world that constantly presents opportunities, risks, and uncertainties, the phrase worth a shot serves as a reminder that progress and achievement often require stepping into the realm of uncertainty. It encourages a mindset that values the process of trying, learning, and evolving, rather than solely focusing on the end result. While not every endeavor will yield the desired outcome, the willingness to take that shot, regardless of the outcome, demonstrates courage and determination. In conclusion, worth a shot encapsulates the spirit of embracing uncertainty, taking calculated risks, and pursuing opportunities, even when the odds are uncertain. This expression highlights the human inclination to explore, learn, and grow, as well as the recognition that the potential rewards, lessons, and personal development gained from attempting something new can often outweigh the fear of failure. Whether in personal, professional, or creative endeavors, the concept of worth a shot encourages individuals to seize the moment and embark on journeys that hold the promise of enrichment and advancement.